Guys, it's your boy Abraham Streete, and in this video I'm gonna be actually showing you how I actually made over $2,000 US dollars, because persons are saying me to clarify, so over $2,000 US dollars in 1 month. That would be equivalent to over probably around 300,000 Jamaican dollars. Let me test that out. And before I even go on that, I'm gonna turn off my camera because this might be freezing. Not sure why that's happening, but I'm gonna do that. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna be just giving you all my information right here. So go turn off the camera now. Okay, awesome. So let's here check in, like showing you the equivalent of $2,000. So if you're in Jamaica, imagine let's say two, no, my apologies, $2,000. So that would be 300,730. So that's a lot of money to actually make 300,000 Jamaican dollars in 1 month, right? So in this video, I'm going to be going step by step, showing you how to do it, and also giving all my knowledge. So how did I do this, right? First thing, I use Facebook, right, guys? Facebook is actually where I get my audience, message person, get my sales and stuff like that. So the most money I've made online would be from Facebook, but that's not even the first step. The first step is actually finding an offer. And before I even go on that, I'm going to show you proof. So in this platform, I've made over $1,700 with just this platform. Sorry about that. With this one, right now I have $45 unpaid, and then like go on payouts, and you can see right here they have paid me over $518, and so this equivalent to like $600, right? So I'm just showing you that I've actually made money from this, and I'm not lying about this or anything like that. So get that out of the way. Well, now the first step is actually finding an offer, right? Finding a reason, not even gonna pronounce that word. All right, finding an offer that you know that your audience gonna want, right? So I promote a 3-day breakthrough challenge, where I'm gonna have the first thing below, which is my number one recommended way. And starting is gonna teach you more and put you more in depth training about affiliate marketing. I'm just showing you my steps and how I do it. But also, what I can recommend, guys, like if you can actually find a product like this is a one funnel away challenge. I'm gonna have the link below for this as well, and also how to join their affiliate program. So saying that you're promoting this, guys, this is $100. Like each person that you get sign up and pay, it's gonna be $100, right? So let me get out my calculator. All right, so $100, right? 100 times 20, that's gonna equivalent to $2,000, guys. So all you need to do for 20 days, at least get one sale for this. And if you look at it, say it's what, say 20 30 days in a month. So 30 days times 100, that's gonna be actually well, my bad, but that's gonna be actually $3,000, guys. Imagine you actually can get one sale every single day for this product, right? And the good thing about this, once someone purchases this product, they have an unbacking offer, which is going to be a subscription based. And once someone be paying that, then you're going to actually be earning money by them paying their subscription would be like this one. It's on a monthly basis, meaning you're getting recurring income, guys. So this is going to be awesome. Like, I would recommend that you go join this program. I'm going to have the link below for this as well. But mainly what I do is find a product what I'm going to promote, which is I'm going to use the one for no way challenge. This is my unit affiliate link. So I'm going to find the product, right? Then after that, I'm going to go on Facebook, right? After I went on Facebook, then I'm going to actually find groups that persons are interested in. 1 second. So groups, finding groups, guys. Finding groups that persons who want to join the one funnel away challenge. What type of person would want to join the one funnel away challenge, right? The type of person would be person that's interested in affiliate marketing, interested in starting an online business, right? So after I go ahead and find the group, these are suggested group. Uh, let's type it, affiliate marketing. All right, this is just a random group. So let me go on this. After I go ahead and find the group, what I do next is actually go ahead, add those persons in the group, which is would be the new members, seeing that they're actually just joined the group, meaning they're interested in doing affiliate marketing. And they're just starting to get that interest and stuff, right? So once I join the group, I add the new members, right? And then once I add the new members, then I'm gonna message them. I'll be creating content on my Facebook page. Let me go for here. You don't need to do this crucial creating the content, but I'd recommend that because it's gonna build a know, like, and trust. But you can just do everything through Messenger. So first thing, I message them checking up on them, like say, hey, how are you doing, and stuff like that. And then once person's like seeing me active on Facebook, creating content and stuff like that, and then they're gonna be interested. They're gonna say, hey, Brian, I'm seeing that you're a really nice guy or something like that. I wanna take this journey. I wanna change my life completely. And before I even go further, guys, if you stick to the end of this video, there's gonna be a bonus that's gonna actually help you out more. So once I get them from the group, message them a simple message, then they're gonna say, hey, start just get to know them first. Don't try to sell something first. Just try to get to know them, and then after that, once you get to know them, then you can actually sell them something, right? So, and also, guys, for the first 10 persons that comment $2,000 below this video, I'm gonna actually be helping them out individually, step by step. And also, this is my free affiliate group, so you can actually go join. I have a lot of resources where I'm going to actually talk about right now. So once you actually message them, get to know them, so then after that, you're gonna start, like, once you get to know them, you building the know, like, and trust. Then you're gonna tell them all about what you're offering, and once they're interested, then they're gonna say, hey, I'm gonna buy, right? So that's the very secret that I'm actually telling you guys to do. That's basically what I do. Message persons, add person from group, message them, get to know them, then I give them my offer. And once they're interested, then they're gonna buy, right? Or I'm only interested in a person that's actually gonna buy and gonna take the action to change your life completely. So those are the persons that I would actually recommend that you should be interested in, right? So guys, probably me mainly I add around 50 persons per day, add 50, message 50, and it's gonna be a lot. Person's gonna say, hey, that's a lot of work and stuff like that. They don't want to do that, messaging so much persons per day. I'm gonna give you an awesome resource, which would be my Go cards, where you can actually go. I'm gonna have the link for this right below, where it's an automated system. This is an automated system where you can actually go on Facebook, and let me go on Facebook and show you. If you go right up here, you're gonna see, like, the messenger, the converter, the post. So it's gonna actually add persons from groups for you, and once you add, then you can actually allow it to message those persons, so you don't have to be messaging and see who's gonna respond to you. So I'm gonna have the link for that down below as well. But it's a pretty amazing software, guys. So that's how I actually make money. I have resource where it's gonna be in my Facebook group, which is this right now. And guys, you can actually pick any product, not just this one funnel away, which I would recommend you starting out. Find something that's actually gonna be either it's high ticket, or you have a recurring income, or an back end offer. And once you have a back end offer, then it's gonna be amazing. All right. So that's how simple I actually make money online by just adding person's face and message them and stuff like that. But there's you have to tweak up your Facebook profile and everything like that. I know that for a fact to make it look presentable and person want to join you. So in my group, this is the affiliate chef high tickets marketing. Right? You just need to join my group request. I would accept you, especially if you tell me that you're one of the person from the 2000, and then click on guides right here, and then you're going to see all of the info that you're going to need to actually start creating your start setting up your Facebook profile and stuff like that. And then once you message me as well, I'll be helping you out step by step, like showing you how to do, getting you off the bat and also getting your first sale. And guys, if you're worrying about like, hey, O'Brien, I don't know what to say and I don't know what to post or anything like that, don't worry. Just message me on Facebook. I'll be helping you out. And messaging person is just simple trying to get to know them, like trying to get to know a family or friend, right? So it's not gonna be anything that's hard to do. Internet is moving way slow, but it's not gonna be anything that hard to do, guys. Right? So all you need to do, shot them a message like, "Hey, check up on them, be friendly." Right? This is not a thing that you're gonna the most thing I always remember is like no build no like and trust. So try to get to know them first, not just try to push some sales on them or push some links on them. No, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna interact and be friendly, get to know them like, hey, how is it going right now in the pandemic? Like, how is your family staying and stuff like that. Ask them those common questions, get to know them, and once you do that, build up like that conversation. Then you can say, hey, like, are you looking to start anything online, or are you interested? I'm seeing that you were in the affiliate marketing group. Like, are you doing affiliate marketing? And then they'll tell you where they're at. Most likely, if they just join the group, they're gonna be a beginner, and they're joining the group to get info, right? So you can say, hey, I'll be happy to help you out. This is a one funnel away challenge, which is going to be 30 days, and it's going to be showing you how to start and launch your business step by step, right? And it's going to be from a great guy, which is called Russell Brunson, who actually own ClickFunnels, right? And he's an amazing guy. Like, he's been making money for over a decade now, and how he started his business was with just his own money in his pocket. So he's gonna be showing you how to do that without borrowing any money or anything like that, getting any investment or stuff like that, right? So he's gonna be showing you the both organic and also ad running ads, right? So like, get to know your product, research about the one funnel away challenge, even join it. Like, join something that, for anything that you're gonna promote, try to get make sure something is that you are very interested in it, right? So that's what I would recommend that you start doing to actually make that $2,000. It's gonna be, I said it's gonna take a lot of work and dedication. But if you wanna say, hey, Brent, I don't have time to like create an ad, messaging persons and stuff like that, no worries. There's other methods out there where you can run ads and stuff like that. And I'm gonna have the link for this down below, and also for the 3-day breakthrough challenge, which is gonna actually show you those stuff step by step, right? So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like and also subscribe to the channel, because I'm gonna be creating more amazing videos like this on a daily basis. And peace out, and remember to drop a comment for the $2,000 so I can actually help 10 persons.